Hi people, in this video let us look at how to get rid of head lice, also called as pediculosis in medical terms. Okay, so the actual solution that you have to use is this one, PERMETHRIN, which is an insecticide, and this is the one that actually is the first line of treatment for head lice. Okay, so you can see the cost, I think around 200 rupees, and why I am directly coming to this actually is the medical solution to pediculosis or head lice. Now what is head lice? Someone's head may look like this, full of nits. These are eggs which are like, they'll have cement kind of material which will be very difficult to remove from the head, from the hair. Okay, but the lice will be actually here somewhere walking around. They will be moving around. The lice called as Pediculosis. This is the organism, Pediculus humanus capitis. So pediculosis has three types. It can affect the hair, the head, capitis. Okay, and if it affects the body, if it affects the private parts. Okay, so there are these eggs which I showed you, right? They become the nymph, and the nymph become adult, and then the adult will lay eggs, and the cycle will continue, and you will be keeping on transmitting your the lice from one person to the other. The solution, actual solution I will show you is this one. To chop off the hair, and to donate all the hair to become bald. Okay, but obviously we can't do that. So the best solution, the first line of treatment for pediculosis, that is head lice or lice, is this insecticide, PERMETHRIN cream, also called as Perlice, the brand name. And this is just a cream rinse. That is, once you shampoo your hair and you dry it with a towel, or you just remove off the excess water, then you apply this, and after 10 minutes you have to wash it off. Okay, so so the instructions are clear here. Shampoo your hair and dry it thoroughly. So you should not have any oil, dirt, etc. Then what they're saying, massage Perlice cream into the scalp and wait for 10 minutes. And then just rinse the hair with water. Do not apply any shampoo or anything. Okay, then just you can also comb the hair with a fine tooth comb, they are saying, which is something like this. But the hair, will have an egg stuck to it. It is very hard to remove that egg. Okay, so anyways, I'm not showing that here. So this is the solution to head lice. This is 1% PERMETHRIN. Okay, and let me show how it looks inside. So this PERMETHRIN is actually the treatment for scabies also, guys. So this is how it looks inside. You have to just apply it, avoid your eyes and all that, because it's an insecticide, right? So yeah, it has a smell not unbearable. It's a nice smell. You have to just apply it on the hair, clean dry hair without oil. Leave it for 10 minutes and then just wash it off. Problem of the poverty, they are saying, but this problem is not just poverty. Overpopulation, school children sitting next to each other closely, sleeping next to each other will transmit all this. So guys, these pediculus, what we told you, species, ectoparasite, that is, it's outside of your body, right? But on the body, ectoparasite, it is. Okay, and these are minute arthropods which infest human skin and hair. Okay. These can be pediculosis capitis, pediculosis corporis if it's on the body, and if it's in the pubic, that is a private part, pediculosis pubic. Okay, so these cause itching, they suck blood. They also transmit disease, guys, which is the typhus and relapsing fever. So typhus, relapsing fever diseases can be transmitted from one person to other, not just lice. Okay, so the eggs are called nits, and they get attached to the hair with that cement I told you. And what are the drugs to treat a pediculosis? The first line of drug is a PERMETHRIN, which I told you, which is an insecticide. It's a broad spectrum and a potent pyrethroid insecticide. This is the first line of drug which I showed you just now. Here you go, PERMETHRIN. Okay, and there are many brands which give you this cream. Now, where was I? Okay, so the other drugs, did I tell you? Lindane, that is BHC, benzyl benzoate, chrotamethon, crotamethone, sulfur diclofane, that is DDT. I'm not sure if it's available. Ivermectin. See, ivermectin is the only oral drug that you can take to get rid of pediculosis. Very interesting, right? The head lice. See, as a doctor, you need to give solutions that are medical pharmacological, right? So at this point, I would like to say that some important thing, let me first complete. See, this permethrin cream, right? You have to repeat after 7 days. That's what it says here. Okay, you have to repeat the application after 7 days, because the eggs which have been left out and they probably didn't die, some eggs, they may hatch again, right? So before they start laying more eggs, you need to again after a week you repeat. Okay, and there are a lot of other brands like I told you. Okay, so pharmacological action, you will have to say how does it actually kill the insect, the ectoparasite. Neurological paralysis in insects is caused probably by delaying depolarization. So basically remember, it gets paralyzed, neurological paralysis happens. Okay, even one application is actually enough, single application is needed in most cases, but anyways you may need a repeat application according to what is written on the bottle. Okay, so don't apply it to your eyes and all. Don't even touch your eyes with after touching this, because it can cause burning, itching, tingling, erythema, rash. Okay, and for head lice you get perlice, keralice, etc., etc. 1% cream rinse. You just have to wash it off, apply it for 10 minutes and then wash it off with water only. Okay, so permethrin is now the first choice drug. And this is the medical solution as a doctor that you suggest for pediculosis. But what are these things kept here? These are the drugs that the medical stores will sell, or somebody else who is neighbor will suggest you. These do not work, guys. So see, this is the mediker oil, camphor, something it contains. You have to apply for 1 hour and then try to comb off the sleeping lice. Not effective, guys. This oil, a little greenish, has such a strong smell. It's very difficult to manage that. Now coming to mediker. Now this one is the shampoo version. You apply for how many minutes are they saying? 4 minutes. Okay, wet the hair, apply the shampoo 4 minutes, and then comb. But shampoo, guys, so this is a shampoo, again doesn't work. Now I'm coming to this one, shigaa, something is written here, which are in coconut oil, I feel. Okay, some purple color thing. Okay, anyways, I'm not going into this, because again this is also a product that doesn't work. Okay, so as a doctor, as a medical pharmacological allopathical person, you must prescribe the right drug for what? Head lice, and that is permethrin cream, 1%. Perlice, you can tell.